Top 5 Best Spot Welding Machine in 2024. Product images. Number 1. High Current Pulse Spot Welding Machine. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders. Reviews. Rating. For update price, please check description box. Number 2. Glitter 801H Spot Welder. It is another most popular and best-selling product. Orders. Reviews. Rating. For update price, please check description box. Number 3. SUNKKO 737DH Spot Welding Machine. SUNKKO 737DH Spot Welding Machine Induction Delay 4.3 kW High Power Automatic Pulse Spot Welding Machine for 18650 battery welding. Number 4. Glitter 801D Faraday Capacity Spot Welding Machine, LBW Welding, Welder for home use, high power output, boasting a peak power of 9900 W. This spot welder ensures robust welding performance for various materials. Versatile welding capabilities, ideal for DIY enthusiasts. This welder supports welding 0.1 to 0.35 mm nickel tablets and various metals. Advanced spot welding modes. Features fixed head and moving spot welding modes, enhancing efficiency and precision in welding tasks. User-friendly interface. Equipped with a touch version spot welding interface and clear parameter adjustment buttons for ease of use. Compact and portable design at just 65 162 128.5 mm. This Glitter 801D spot welder is designed for easy handling and storage. Number 5. Glitter Battery Aluminum to Copper Battery Spot Welding Machine. The Glitter 811H Spot Welding Machine is a powerful tool designed for the precise joining of various metals, including aluminum to copper and aluminum to nickel. Its robust construction ensures durability and longevity, making it a reliable choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. The machine's large unit size allows for a substantial welding area, enabling you to tackle larger projects with ease. The absence of a smart device feature means that the focus remains on the welding process, ensuring that you have full control over the outcome. 1990D Nickel Spot Welding Machine. Versatile material compatibility effortlessly welds aluminum to copper and nickel, enhancing your DIY projects. Durable construction. Crafted for longevity, this welder withstands the rigors of professional use. Large unit design. The large unit ensures robust spot welding for industrial-grade applications. Efficient spot welding. The Glitter 811H Spot Welder provides precise and reliable welding results. User-friendly operation. Designed for ease of use. The welder is straightforward to operate without smart device integration. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay with me.